Hi guys, and welcome back to Sci Marvels. Today we are diving into the world of radicals with a seemingly simple question. What's the square root of the square root of 9 minus the square root of 8? Think you can solve it before we unleash the answer? Leave your best guess in the comments. Now let's break it down step by step. We can start with the square root of 9, which is equal 3, and the square root of 8, which is equal the square root of 4 times 2, which is equal 2 times the square root of 2. Now we have the square root of 3 minus 2 times the square root of 2. What's next? We want to manipulate this expression into a more recognizable form. Did you hear about the algebraic identity called the square of a binomial? Yes, that's our ticket here. A minus b squared equals a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Also, 3 minus 2 times the square root of 2 can be written as 2 plus 1 minus 2 times the square root of 2. Now we can see the square of a binomial in this term, which a equals the square root of 2 and b equals 1. So we can transform it into the square root of 2 minus 1 all to the power of 2. And we can write our original problem as the square root of 2 minus 1 all to the power of 2. The square root and the power of 2 cancel each other out, and leaving us with absolute value of the expression inside. Since the square root of 2 is approximately 1.414 and 1.414 minus 1 is positive, we can drop the absolute value. And there you have it. The answer is the square root of 2 minus 1, which is equal 0.414. Also, we can check our solution with calculator. Now, think outside the box and get creative with your approach. Can you solve this math challenge from a different angle? Subscribe Sci Marvels and share your own answer in the comments below. Thank you.